Vadiwem icon is now in Iconify. Iconify, if you don't know, is a collection of icon sets. This has lots of icon sets in it, and you can just import in your React project or in your Vue project. You can just import Iconify and then use any icons in this whole big large collection of icon sets. But we now also have Vadiwem icons. So if you go over here, click on icon, you can see that it gives us the SVG, Vue, Svelte, React, Solid, Astro, everything. So if you want to use all the icon sets and you want to mix and match icons, which it might be okay if you have like good taste for like mix and matching icons, but I don't recommend it. But if you want to do that, you can do that with this Iconify designs. And whatever my icon is there, my IOA icon is there, these both are my icon packs. And some other good icons are also there, like lucid icons, box icons, tablet icons. These are also very very good. I most often use lucid or even phosphor icons. I don't know if it's here, but yeah, I use phosphor icons, lucid icons, and tablet icons most of the time, but it's very good. So try out Vadiwem icons in there. Vadiwem icons now has like more than 500 icons and ever growing. So I'm in the process of adding like 100 more icons, so that'll come soon. But yeah, try it out, Vadiwem icons in Iconify, and let me know what you think.